Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Magandang araw. Kamusta po? Knock, 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 knock. OFW friends natin. Wait, baliktad yata yung card ko. Yeah. So, welcome po sa aking channel. Kung meron mang nanonood. So, I just created this channel bago po. So, mahirap walang gumawa ng content. Akala ko madali lang. So, weekend ko po ginagawa ito. So, OFW din ako, kaya pahinga. So, yeah, kamusta po tayong lahat? Sana nasa maganda tayong kalusugan. August 1 to 7 po ang reading natin. Virgo. Virgo. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Virgo, ah? Yeah, okay. meron akong cheat list dito. Make sure na, oops. Okay, mahabang day and night. Sandali, ayusin ko. Day and night na pagpapasensya. Kasama na dyan yung daily grind. Daily grind, it requires a lot of perseverance related to practicality. Well, practicality is all about paying bills. Tama po ba tayo, Virgo? Oops. So, ano po ang plano natin weekend? Weekend ngayon. So, mamaya ako ay bibili ng grocery as usual. Meron pa pala akong aayusin na t-shirt ko. Natanggal yung botones. So, hindi ko makita yung karayom. Hindi ko makita. So, siguro 2 weeks sabi ko, susuot ko ito next week. Pero I've been telling it to myself for 3 weeks now. Natanggal yung botones. Hinahanap ko yung same botones na kakulay niya. Okay, so pinagtuunan ng pansin, pinlano, there's a movie, burning that oil. I was thinking Lorenzo's Oil. That's a good movie. Yeah, okay. Pinag-isip-isipan kung ano man yan. Pinagpaplano-plano, pinagdasal-dasal. Related ba to sa pag-ibig? Or somebody close to you na new. Gusto mo lang ng everybody like that new beginning. Kaya gusto natin palagi ng attention. Okay, kung ano ba yung pero alam mo yan eh. Ayan siya, yung kung ano yung gusto mo. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo, Virgo. I think this is something na on the back burner. Minsan alisin natin yung pagiging control freak. Okay, ganyan tayo eh. Gusto natin palaging makikita ang solusyon. Gusto natin palaging nadadama yung matawag dito. Basta gusto, yan ang aspeto ng pagiging controlling eh. Okay? Yung gusto mo palaging visible, pero hindi ka naman nagbabasa ng email. Yan, parang ganyan sa opisina. Nagtatanong ng, ano bang gagawin doon? Hindi ko yan alam eh. Pero, nandun na yun sa email 3 weeks ago pa. Hindi mo binabasa because you are caught up with your daily grind. Okay? Yan eh. Oh, you were caught up with your daily routine na nag-aaral, kung ano man yung ginagawa, nagluluto, naglilinis. Okay? Yan ang mga busy. Ayan ang mga part ng aspetong ginagawa natin daily. Kapag nandyan tayo sa stage na yan, minsan darating yung isang project o isang gusto nating makuha, nasa ba yung gamit na yun? Ayusin ko na yung iluluto ko na itong para sa birthday celebration or something, because that's a bigger thing to that will happen. That's a schedule. And then diyan ka mapapraning. Okay? Because you thought na hindi gumagalaw. eh matagal mo nang niluluto itong proyekto na ito, kung ano man yun. Wedding ba ito or ano? And wala kang visibility. Well, because you blindfolded yourself. Are you nuts? Yan ang sakit ng natin minsan. Okay? So Virgo, you're in that situation. Okay? Siguro hinay-hinay lang. Well, depende po sa sitwasyon natin ngayon sa chart natin ng ating lifetime. Okay? So you've been hoping and you have that intuition. Alam mo, ano kayo, magaling ka magplano eh. I can see it here eh. Oh? But you need to make sometime that quick decision, and your mind is playing tricks on you. You have analysis paralysis, pangkaraniwan yan sa opisina eh. Ang tagal, ano na ba ang gagawin ng marketing? Magla-live na tayo sa etc. Launching ng bagong produkto. Okay, so magkano yung mabebenta? Lahat na tick mark na. Check. Ayan na yung mga invitasyon. Ayan na yung mga KOL na i-invite natin. Key opinion leaders. Ayan na yung ahensya and everything. Tapos kamukat-mukat mo eh. Oh, sasabihin ng magkano yung mabibenta natin dyan, gaganahin natin dyan. Yan ang type of situation. You got so caught up with your daily routine. Okay, that's good. And then all of a sudden, you don't have visibility on other area. And that sometimes make us stress. Okay, but in reality, the offer was there. There is love. Yeah. Okay, Virgo. So, nag-resonate ba? So, shout out tayo kung maganda yung kung nag-connect tayo doon. So, let's talk more. Okay? So, salamat Virgo. Okay? So, this is for Virgo. Salamat and thank you. See you again.